Thank you, Aura, for these. Dynamo. Deleted. You can't delete it. You can't run from your destiny, Tim. It's my first time using them. And honestly, 10 out of 10. Recommend. Tink is safe. I got you. Oh, Tink. We're just like messing with you. You don't have to go live. We'll all just suffer and wait. That's interesting, Tink. I don't know that I've ever heard someone say they love that. Look what the color is doing, guys. Emma sent 15 for Foca all in. You got it. Oh. More. That they want, the people want what they want, Eric, okay?
Yes, they do.
We love a supportive husband. He is. He's like, I don't get it, but y'all do you. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Okay, a couple liquid bombs and then we're gonna do, can you mod Danny? Yes. He is fixed. Better now. Okay. Yes, my plan is to go live every Thursday at 5:30 Central. That's my plan. We'll see how that goes. I just love how this just fits so perfect. Well, what the extension cord? Oh yeah, we're gonna need that. I don't know.
Damn, look at that.
We can move it. Move it to the side over here.
Don't reach. You can't look at it.
I'm saying move it over here, like right here.
Oh.
And just prop it up on the thing.
So, I'm gonna put mine over here and you're gonna do your best to not touch it.
I will do that.
And I'll be sad when it happens anyway.
Nah, it's gonna be fine.
Sure.
I'm scared to share the live
It's
because I don't like
already on
other
it.
people.
Because it must have swung.
Puzzle check? I have not gotten the puzzle this entire time. Dish soap on top, but for now, pure. Y'all, we still have a big bag of Roma going in. Anna, what did you want? Pure powder or you want dish soap on top? I didn't see your comment. Just powder, you got it. That's what we're doing. We definitely need more liquid. We might. Right now we still have a little bit more fabric softener, a lemon panelin, 2 lime Ajax, and a little bit of dish soap. But we still have 2 Blanca and a big Roma. Let's make recycled. Need more powder like cans. Oh, I have 3 cans still to go in as well. Forgot to say that. Anna, do you like some hand mixing or do you want it all sponge squeezing? You can hand mix. All right. I'm gonna do a little bit. Let me squeeze these 2 and then we'll hand mix. My birthday was a couple weeks ago. Can we add the rest of my liquids and some Blanca bombs? Yes. Yes. $4 for powder and you one you want. Okay, I just got $4 for powder. Anyone I want. Thank you, Lioness. Can I send for 2 pine glows all in? Sure. I have all the scents of pine glow, so just let me know which one you want. Didn't know the chat was going fast. Yes. Did I miss something? Do I have an epoxy? Yes. I'm gonna post this live? Yes, that's my plan. I'll probably edit tomorrow. Sent on CA. Can I do ocean and watermelon? Yes. Hi, Eric.
Hello.
Can I have a ocean and a watermelon pine glow?
No.
Thank you. And I need $4 of powder.
From?
Any powder.
Okay.
Said any powder I want, so.
Oh, gee, it is.
Yeah, but we've done all lemon to this point. So lemon.
Oh, yeah.
No, lemon, lemon, lemon.
Can't go back that bad.
No puzzle. Crazy question. Do you live in 757? Asking because I can hear so many planes. No, I live in the New Orleans area, and I live in the near the airport. You hit the half me. Yes, we're about half, maybe 2/3 on the sink now. And we have one more big bag going in. Am I saving? I'll probably save a little bit, but not all of it. I have nowhere to put a whole sink full. Yes, New Orleans. All right, we're gonna do Angela's liquids and her Blanca. And then I'm gonna do the all-in Pine Glow.